Hi guys, today I will work with Toyota Tundra 2015 and we will change the belt tensioner. So stay tuned and subscribe for new videos, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. We will do the best job ever. How? I have 120,000 miles on it.
See, the belt itself staying pretty close to the edge, and that's why it's making squeeze. The pulley itself spinning pretty straight, but the tensioner is not straight, so I will show you how to do it easy and fast. Exactly, stay tuned.
First, what you have to do is just let it get cool. Don't work with the hot cars, and never open this cup when it's hot. First, what you have to do is take this pipe out, which is pretty easy. I'm using the tools what I made video before. I will leave you links for all these tools down in description. See, I'm filming myself and working myself, and it's not too easy to do everything with one hand. I know there's a special this type clip removers, but you know these pliers didn't work pretty well. Oops. Then you have to take this pipe out, but before you will replace everything else, you should take these nuts out. It's a 12mm nuts, 4 of them, so 2 of them I already take out. So it's a 12mm, and I'm using 17mm and even sometimes a screwdriver to hold the wheel. I'm pushing the screwdriver this side, and the ratchet is that side. Push down. I already move it, and it will go easier, but just to give you an idea which way it should go to. Take all that nuts from the fan clutch out. I remove these 10mm bolts from each side, put a Starbucks cup right here, and remove the hose and put just like right here, and it will stay in here well. We'll remove and the fan itself and the fan shroud together. This project to remove fan, we'll use hammer and screwdriver because it's probably a little bit rusty. Yeah, I can see it's moving, so it's already sticking out. You can see the gap in between. I'll remove it. Now it's off. Then you gotta go to this side, the clip which is holding the pipes. Just open that clip. Then I'll trust you, there is nothing to hold. The shroud. With 2 hands it would be much more easier. Let me put the phone right here. And now you have pretty good access.
Belt not supposed to be that close to the edge, and the belt itself will be squeezing in this pulley and in another side of pulley, and that's make it squeeze.
Ratchet. So it should goes ups and down, and that's it. So from the bottom to the top. But you can see it's not staying straight at all. So I will replace the tensioner. It's cost 56 bucks from Napa. It's just lifting the wheel.
Remove the belt, and there is 2 bolts which is holding them. So one bolt will be right here, and another bolt will be in the middle of the tensioner.
Need 12mm socket and 6mm. Yeah, 12mm, 100%. And as you remember from the previous video, I'm using my Makita. By the way, all links for all these tools will be in the description below. Done. Right here. This is a 6mm, and I will remove the tensioner itself. Middle bolt. Pretty tight, as tight as possible. Inside, yes. And just twist it, so it was pretty easy. That's it. We go inside. Yeah. And the pulley size same, and this connector is the same. So I already tied my 6mm, and I'm tightening right now my 12mm. So when you put the belt in, just make sure you put everything how it's supposed to be. I mean, the belt's supposed to be inside in a pulley, not somewhere out, even a little bit. Just, you know, you'll spend a few seconds to double check. See how the belt sitting in the middle of the pulley? It's way off the edge. So then you'll just assemble the same way as you take it out. The fan shroud is supposed to be installed in the bottom. There's two pins like that, and they're supposed to install straight in a radiator. Just make sure you put it straight. Then put the 10mm bolts here and there. Put the hoses here and here. So the nuts this side, opposite side, from this top nut to the bottom nut, and that's it. It's supposed to be good. So let's start. Wow, no noise. That's amazing. Absolutely zero noise. It's worked just perfect. So if you think this video was helpful, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.